Hello! I bought a monitor mount for the first time, and this is me showing you the unboxing, installation, orientation and cable management feature of the mount. This is the H180 model from North Bayou. As you can see, this is for two 22 to 32 inch monitors. You can mount this side by side, top and bottom, horizontal and vertical. Okay, I'm excited, so I'll open the box now. The parts look intimidating at first, as I didn't expect so many parts, but it turns out not too bad for a simpleton first timer like myself, so I believe you can too. The manual is available in Mandarin, Chinese and English, and it's pictorial, so the language barrier isn't there. This pictorial manual is quite helpful, but it makes everything look way more complicated than it actually is. Installation video is available, which I've just found out now, but at that time I didn't think of watching it beforehand. These screws, nuts, bolts or whatever they are look so complicated, so I just find whatever fits and screw them tight. There are two methods for this mount. You can do it by clamp or grommet. For this, I will clamp on my table because my table doesn't have a hole and I don't want to drill. It's a double monitor mount, but I actually only have one monitor now. I bought this in case I'll need to add another monitor to my setup. It's also because the stick for the model with one arm is shorter. Perhaps if you were like me and thought you could just add another arm in the future, so you should save some money and get the one arm model for now, which is the H100. I think it would be difficult to mount the second monitor on top of this monitor because the stick is shorter. Well, there's no guarantee you could do that, so I played safe this time. And I don't know what monitor size I'm going to get next. Unless you're going for monitor bigger than 32 inch, then you should get the one arm one, because the H100 is available for 22 inch to 35 inch, whereas this is 22 to 32 inch, and I have a 29 inch monitor, ultra wide monitor for now. I've checked the prices outside. The prices are more expensive outside, so I bought from Lazada's Bright Star. The price was 128 ringgit 49 cents, including shipping to Kuching Sarawak. So this monitor is VESA compliant, 100 times 100 mm. I measured the stick at about 400 mm from the base cover. The worst thing that could happen is that I drop and break the monitor, so I use a pillow. So here I'll be showing you the cable management feature of this mount. So my HDMI cable is not long enough, that's why I run it like that. It looks a bit messy, but the cable is not long enough, so what to do, right? So the monitor cable is long enough, but it goes from here. This one you can take it off. So you just slip it right in like that, and there's a gap here, where you can move your cable behind, and through this cable clip here, through this cable clip you can push your cable in, and then you have to unscrew this part, and rub through the cable underneath. You may have to tighten out this arm swivel to screw and unscrew, which is a bit annoying here as well. So the cable goes up here into this hole, like here, right here to here, see, and up to here. So because if you do that, I can see my cable. You can see my cable like that, the wire here. So I tuck it behind like this, so you can see. So for my next video, I will show you my first build. Yeah, that's all.